Hi, I'm Matt, and on today's Matt's World DIY, we're going to do a DIY in the kitchen. We're going to make this delicious Starbucks Caramel Frappuccino without having to go to Starbucks. So let's get to it. This recipe comes together so quickly and so easily with just a few ingredients, and it's going to save you a lot of money as well. So what we're going to start with are 2 cups of crushed ice. We're going to put everything in our blender and get these things blended together. We're also going to add 1 cup of cold milk. You could use low-fat or full-fat milk. I'm using full-fat milk today. You're going to need 1/3 cup of caramel sauce. This is what's going to add that awesome, delicious caramel flavor. I would also recommend you have a little additional caramel sauce on hand to garnish at the end. Next, you're going to need 1 cup of really dark, strong coffee. You could use the Starbucks brand if you want. I'm using a really dark espresso. The final thing you'll need is 3 tablespoons of white sugar. If you would like less sweet of a drink, just use less sugar, maybe 1.5 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons. That could be fine because that caramel is pretty sweet itself, so that's going to offer you some sweetness too. Now let's get to blending. And that's it. You have your nice caramel frappuccino from Starbucks. Before we add our drink to the glass, I want to garnish the inside of the glass a bit with that caramel sauce. Get some caramel on the spoon and just swirl it around on the inside of the glass. I made about 3 nice servings with those measurements that I just used. Let's top this with some whipped cream. Garnish with a little drizzle of the caramel sauce over the whipped cream. Time for straws. And enjoy. Wow, I just got a big taste of caramel, I think, on the bottom of the glass. That is delicious. It's rich, it's creamy, it's caramely, it's sweet. You got the bite of the coffee as well. I really hope you get a chance to make this recipe. It's super delicious, super affordable, and really comes together quickly. So enjoy your homemade Starbucks Caramel Frappuccino at home. And check out some of my other DIY projects, as well as some of my other sweets and bakes recipes on my Sweets and Bakes playlist. I'll see you next time. That's good.